Hey, if you are using your Galaxy Buds, if you have this charging issue, so I can recommend you to clean your USB-C port. This one. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So when you take a look closely, in some cases you can actually find some pieces of the dust and other mess inside your charging port. As you can see, in my case, everything is fine because I just used them for like 2 weeks. But if you have them for like 6 months, 1 year, there's like big chance that there's something inside. So I can recommend you to use something like this and simply input it inside and gently get rid of any mess that is inside. So you'll have to start from the right side like this and then move it to the left and try to get rid of everything that is inside. You can also use this kind of item, but I highly recommend you to use something that is made out of the plastic or wood, because the metal pin actually can damage your charging case. So if you have one, like in my case, there's the phone tool, you are doing it on your own risk with the metal one. So I'm gonna do this. So it looks like this, that you have to move it to the right side and then move to the left side and get rid of every mess that you have inside. So I actually cannot go into the upper section right here. There's not enough space, so I'm gonna not push it to don't break anything, but from the left one I can actually try to get rid of any mess like this. And then for the second side. And when you finish, you can actually check if your cable is actually connected properly. If it works like this and the indicator is turned on, it means that you did it, that you actually clean. But if you still cannot charge your earbuds, you can actually try to change the cable. Maybe that's also the reason why you cannot charge them. And also remember to put them correctly in the case. So these gold pins you must input right like this. And just be sure that there's nothing on the pins or, for example, on these gold sticks. So yeah, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.